When you buy a stock, how do you actually get paid? Most people only know half the story. They think it's all about one thing: buy low and sell high. But that's just one way. There is a second way to make money from stocks, one that many big investors use to get paid year after year without ever selling a single share. Understanding both is critical. This is the one moment deeper dive. First, let's start with the one everyone knows: capital gains. A capital gain is just the technical term for buying low and selling high. You buy a share of a company for $100. Over time, the company grows, it becomes more valuable, and its stock price rises to $150. You then sell that share, and you've made a $50 profit. That $50 is your capital gain. This is the primary way you make money from growth companies. Think of fast-growing tech companies. They don't pay you cash now. Instead, they reinvest all their profits back into the company to grow even bigger, making your share of the company more valuable over time. You only get your profit when you decide to sell. But what if you want to get paid while you own the stock? That brings us to way number 2, dividends. A dividend is a portion of a company's profits that it pays out directly to its owners, the shareholders. Think of it like owning a rental property. You get paid a rent check every month just for being the owner. Dividends are the same. Many large, stable, and profitable companies, think of brands you've used for decades, don't need to reinvest all their money. They have so much profit, they share some of it with you, their part owner, usually every 3 months. It's a direct cash payment into your account. You get paid without selling your shares, and you also get the benefit if the stock price goes up. So, which one is better? It's not about better, it's about your goals. Are you young and focused on long-term growth? You might prefer growth stocks that focus on capital gains, letting your money compound and grow faster. Are you closer to retirement and need steady income? You might prefer dividend stocks that provide predictable cash payments. The best part? Many of the world's greatest companies, like Apple or Microsoft, give you both. Understanding these two ways to win is the first step to building a portfolio that actually works for you.